Take a ride in the 2005 TrailBlazer. The Chevrolet TrailBlazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the TrailBlazer. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, daytime running lights, skid plate package, rear wiper, cruise control, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, 8-way power driver seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.